Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming compatibility. If your phone lacks Qi, get a slim Qi receiver or adapter now. Once done, plug a 512-volt USB power supply rated 10 watts or higher into the wireless pad. Make sure you use a certified cable to avoid voltage drop. Remove bulky or metal cases and clean the back of the phone. Dust disrupts coil contact. Place the phone face up on a flat surface so you can align coils in the next step. Now install the receiver. Peel the adhesive, stick the thin coil directly to the phone back or under a thin case, and route the adapter to the charging port if required. Once attached, place the phone on the pad and slowly slide it until you see charge indicators. Precise center alignment matters because coils must overlap. Make sure no metal or magnetic mounts sit between the phone and pad, and avoid thick cases higher than about 3 millimeters. These reduce charging efficiency and cause heat. Finish by confirming the charging icon and monitoring temperature for the first 15 minutes. Mild warmth is normal, excessive heat is not. If charging is slow or intermittent, make sure the pad has a stable 512V supply, swap the cable, or nudge the phone a few millimeters to improve coil overlap. Make sure wireless charging is enabled in settings if applicable. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing happens, test the pad with a known Qi phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.